How to uninstall completely WebStorm IDE in your PC and laptop. Desktop Windows search box lo enter Control Panel. First option select Programs and Features option. Select WebStorm application. Select mouse right click. Uninstall click. Uninstall or change an application. Window lo first button. Yes click. Window maximize. Uninstall WebStorm section lo WebStorm will be uninstalled from the following folder: installation default path display. Second one, please confirm if you would be to delete the cache and changes. Delete WebStorm 2026 I cache and local history option. Left side box tick mark set. Second one, delete WebStorm 2026 I settings and install plugins option. Left side box tick mark set. Share the uninstall feedback unnecessary. Skip this option. First button uninstall click. Uninstalling. Please wait while WebStorm is being uninstalled. WebStorm application related files uninstallation process start. Desktop shortcut remove. Uninstallation completed. Second button close click. Control panel reopen. Mouse right click refresh. Window please. Desktop shortcut Windows key plus R. Run window display. Enter the box percentage app data percentage. After enter this command, first button OK click. JetBrains folder select mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Address bar app data select. First one folder local select open. JetBrains folder select mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Left side this PC option select. First one new volume C select open. Program files folder select open. JetBrains folder select mouse right click. Fourth icon delete click. Window close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side documents folder select. JetBrains IDE internal created project files folder select open. Files unnecessary delete this folder. Folder close. System restart must